We create drones for people. NARMA. In 2018, NARMA launched as the first spin-off company of the Korea Aerospace Research Institute. Building on the world's first electric dual tiltrotor technology transferred from KARI, NARMA is turning the vision of vertical takeoff and landing aircraft into reality, leveraging its expertise in drone design, engineering, manufacturing, and flight operations. Guided by drone designs that reflect NARMA's identity and powered by a global network across Europe, Africa, and the Americas, we are leaping toward a new era of innovation. NARMA's drones are built on innovative tiltrotor technology, combining the strengths of multicopters and fixed-wing drones, excelling in vertical takeoff and landing, as well as high-speed, long-range horizontal flight. Our drones reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour and cover distances of 30 to 40 kilometers, delivering emergency supplies to designated locations. Additionally, they are equipped with an automatic parachute deployment system to prevent harm to people on the ground in emergency situations. Through its kiosk-based drone control system, NARMA provides an intuitive drone operation system designed for user convenience, leading the way in drone adoption. NARMA envisions a world where everyone benefits equally from drones and is leading the way toward a global standard for commercial delivery drones. We create drones for people. Fly for people. NARMA.